If you like this video, please comment and please like this video and subscribe and do more ideas to us. Do more videos. Now this is slime kit. And we have this all stuff in the slime kit we got. And now we can do slime. So he gonna do color slime. So for color slime we need slime glue and activator and some color. He wants red, so he took red. If you want any color, you can take your color. And a bowl, small bowl, and a spoon. It comes in slime kit. And if you want to make glitter slime, you can see my process. If you want to make color slime, you can see his process. For the glitter slime, I'm going to take a small bowl. You can do in any bowl, like his bowl or anything. So for glitter slime, we need some glitters. It comes in this pack. And we need some glue and activator and spoon. So let's start. First, he gonna do his color slime. So if you want to see color slime process, you can see. Start.
First I'm gonna use glue. How much grow the glue, that will be how much bigger. Now some color. Now some activator. Some mix.
Let's mix some.
Mix.
Okay, we need to mix it properly.
Then now activator. Throw some only on this spoon and mix how much you can. Mix for 50 seconds. Mix it properly.
It will become good.
It will become good.
It will become good if we will mix properly. We should mix.
Do not throw this so much.
Okay, we're gonna mix now. So I'm gonna show a little bit glitter process now.
Okay.
So first I'm gonna taking a cup for the glitter process and open the cup and pour some glue. So we'll pour some glue. How much you want you can pour. I want some medium, so I'm gonna pour not that much, not little. I'm gonna pour medium. And now we need some glitters. We need glitters. So you can choose your color. I'm gonna choose pink color for me. Pink color glitter. So actually I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna pour it a little bit. And now let's start. I pour it 4 drops. You can pour, if you want a little bit more you can pour, but not too much. And now I'm gonna mix it. I think my brother's slime is done, so let's see his slime first.
Ooh, this slime is getting some more sticky. We need to do some activator.
Don't pour that much. A 1 drop of spoon. You can put in spoon 1 drop. Just 1 drop.
That much only. That's oh.